How do I use Notion as a medical student? This video is only for educational purposes only. Please make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your Notion. So if you're a medical student, Notion can be a game changer for you for staying organized and focused. So there are some ways you can be able to use Notion to enhance your productivity. The very first one is to create a medical school dashboard. So using a template like the medical school student dashboard to centralize your notes, assignments, and clinical rotations. The second way is to be able to organize your notes. So you can use Notion to utilize note-taking masterclasses to structure your notes and make them easily searchable. The third way is to manage your schedule. So you can be able to plan your day, your week, or your month with templates here on Notion. The fourth way is to track your progress. So you can use Notion to track your progress and stay on top of study materials and track your progress every day. The fifth way is to research is to make project researches. So you can be able to manage your research projects here on Notion with notes, tips, and all of it. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure you share, like, and subscribe.